Afraid of tricky CSS questions in your next front-end or web dev interview? Don't worry. Today I'm going to explain all the basic details of CSS, and it is going to make sure that there will be no more hiccups while answering CSS questions in your next interview. CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. Why it called cascading, I'm going to cover in this video. But there are three levels of cascading. Basically, CSS can be applied inline, internal, external. The basics we know is inline CSS means if we are applying CSS directly to the HTML tag, it is inline CSS. And if we are writing CSS inside HTML page style tag, it is internal CSS. And if we are writing CSS in a separate file and linking that with our HTML page, it is external CSS. Now we are going to see why CSS is cascading in nature and how this is going to help us to determine what will be the style of our desired page. Okay, so in CSS we got a priority list that we should be aware of. Okay, so inline CSS priority is higher than internal CSS and the external CSS priority is lowest, and priority is dependent upon the selector also. So basically we can target element by using id, by using class, and obviously by using the default tag. So priority of a id selector is more than class then tag. And the third thing is inheritance. If we got a parent, means obviously HTML, let's say we got body, and inside body we got, let's say, one paragraph. So if some styles is being applied to body, then our paragraph is going to inherit that properties. So under the hood, when our web page is going to render, what it does is first it looks out for external CSS. So in external CSS for H1, it encounters that color is orange, text align center. Then it looks out for, like, it looks out in priority order. Then it looks out for the next higher priority, that is internal CSS. So H1 got color green, text align center. So the property color, if you see, it has changed. And as I said, it is cascading in nature. Inline CSS got higher priority than external CSS. So color is not orange now. It is cascaded and it is changed to green. Then it looks out for inline CSS. So inline CSS we got color is blue, text align center. So again, color is changed to blue and inline CSS got the higher priority. So it is going to be updated. Let's just run this and see. As I said, here if you see, header changed to blue. So as per priorities, it is going to see, so lowest priority first. So external CSS, it encounters H1 color orange, text align center. So under the hood, H1 color is currently orange, text align is center. Then the higher priority, that is internal CSS, so it encounters the H1 color as green. So it is going to update from orange to green, text align center, so it is not going to change. Then the next priority, that is inline CSS. So there we see color as blue, so green is going to update it to blue. So if you see, as per priority, it is constantly changing, means cascading. That's why it is cascading style sheet. If you know this basic concept of priority based rendering and the cascading nature of CSS, I am sure there will be no confusions in interview regarding the CSS outputs, and you are going to ace your interview. So if you like the video and if you have any suggestions or some different type of question that you have encountered in the interview and it is hard and you want to discuss that, please share your comments and like the video. Thanks.